Nifty intraday trading. I can provide you with some general strategies and insights for Nifty intraday trading for tomorrow, 8th August 2025, based on the available information and market analysis. However, please note that stock market predictions are inherently uncertain, and trading involves significant risks. Always conduct your own research and consult with a financial advisor before making trading decisions. Below is a detailed guide for Nifty intraday trading. Market context for 8th August 2025. Based on recent market data, Nifty 50 Index, the Nifty closed at approximately 24,650 on 6th August 2025, with a slight decline of 0.31%. Predictions for 8th August suggest a range-bound movement with a potential trading range between 22,519 and 26,435, with an expected index value of around 24,477. Market sentiment. The market is experiencing volatility due to global trade concerns, particularly U.S. tariffs on Indian exports, which have doubled to 50%, impacting sectors like textiles, gems, and oil refining. Foreign institutional investors, FIIs, were net sellers, offloading 4,999 crore rupees, while domestic institutional investors, DIIs, were net buyers at 6,794 crore rupees. Technical outlook. The Nifty is trading below its 100-day EMA, with key support at 24,180, 200-day EMA, and resistance at 24,700 to 25,000. A break below 24,450 to 24,500 could lead to further downside toward 24,200, while a move above 24,700 may signal a short-term rebound. Intraday trading strategies for Nifty options. Here are some effective Nifty intraday trading strategies tailored for 8th August 2025, based on current market conditions and technical analysis. Bull call spread, bullish strategy. When to use. If you expect a moderate upward movement in Nifty, example, above 24,700. How to execute. Buy a call option at a lower strike price, example 24,700 CE, and sell a call option at a higher strike price, example 24,800 CE. With the same expiry date, weekly expiry on 8th August. Risk-reward limits both risk and profit potential. The premium received from the sold call reduces the cost of the trade. Example, if Nifty is at 24,650, buy at 24,700 CE for 100 rupees and sell at 24,800 CE for 50 rupees. Net cost, 50 rupee per lot, 3,750 rupees for 75 units. Max profit is 7,500 rupees. If Nifty closes above 24,800, max loss is 3,750 rupees. Stop loss. Set a stop loss if Nifty falls below 24,585, as this indicates weakness. Rationale. This strategy is suitable for a potential rebound if Nifty sustains above 24,700, as suggested by technical resistance levels. Bear put spread, bearish strategy. When to use. If you anticipate a downward move, example, below 24,550. How to execute. Buy a put option at a higher strike price, example 24,600 pay, and sell a put option at a lower strike price, example 24,500 pay, with the same expiry. Risk-reward limits risk to the net premium paid and caps profit. Example, buy at 24,600 pay for 120 rupees and sell at 24,500 pay for 70 rupees. Net cost, 50 rupee per lot, 3,750 rupees. Max profit is 7,500 rupees if Nifty closes below. Key technical levels for 8th August 2025. Support levels 24,475, 24,200, 200-day EMA, 22,519, predicted minimum. Resistance levels 24,700, 24,900, 25,000. Pivot point 24,765. Above this, bullish bias, below this, bearish bias. Indicators to watch. RSI, currently at 36, indicating weak momentum and potential oversold conditions. Moving averages, Nifty is below the 100-day EMA but above the 200-day EMA, 24,180. A break below 24,180 could signal stronger bearish momentum. MACD, watch for MACD turning upwards for bullish signals or downwards for bearish signals. Intraday trading tips. Use technical analysis. Focus on support 24,475, 24,200 and resistance 24,700, 24,900 levels for entry and exit points. Monitor indicators like RSI, MACD and moving averages 20-day, 50-day to confirm trends. Use candlestick patterns, example doji, engulfing, to identify reversals or continuations. Risk management. Never risk more than 2-3% of your trading capital on a single trade. Set strict stop losses to limit losses, example exit if Nifty breaks key support resistance levels. Use position sizing based on your risk tolerance and capital, example 10,000,20,000 for Nifty options. Monitor news and events. Watch for updates on US tariff policies as they could impact market sentiment. Track FII and DII activity as their buying-selling can influence Nifty's direction. Be aware of macroeconomic data releases or corporate earnings that could cause volatility. Trade. Sample trading plan for 8th August 2025. Bullish scenario, Nifty sustains above 24,765. Strategy, bull call spread. Entry, buy 24,700 CE, sell 24,800 CE. Target, 24,850 to 24,900. Stop loss, Nifty below 24,585. Rationale, technical resistance at 24,700, a breakout could target 24,900. Bearish scenario, Nifty falls below 24,550. Strategy, bear put spread. Entry, buy 24,600 pay, sell 24,500 pay. Target, 24,350 to 24,200. Stop loss, Nifty above 24,650. Rationale, bearish trend with support at 24,475. Potential to test 24,200. Neutral scenario, Nifty trades between 24,400 to 24,700. Strategy, Iron Condor. Entry, sell 24,800 CE, buy 24,900 CE, sell 24,500 pay, buy 24,400 pay. Target, collect premium if Nifty stays in range. Stop loss, exit if Nifty breaks 24,800 or 24,400. Rationale, weekly options data suggests a range-bound market. Additional considerations. Volatility. High volatility due to tariff concerns may increase option premiums. Be cautious with strategies like long straddle, as premiums could be expensive. Sector focus. IT and pharma sectors have shown resilience, while banking and auto stocks are under pressure. Monitor stocks like Tech Mahindra, Wipro, and Hero MotoCorp for Nifty's directional cues. Global cues, US markets and tariff developments will influence opening sentiment. Gift Nifty futures suggest a slightly negative opening at 24,560.